Hi guys, Olivia here, and just sat in the sunny garden, um, enjoying this glorious weather at the moment. So today is just really a short video, just about my running kit wish list. Only 4 items on it, so nice and short, but always nice to have a little kit wish list. Very useful for when birthdays are coming up or Christmas is coming up, and you just want to treat yourself to something that you really fancy and really like. So 4 products today on my wish list. So the first one is the Kit Brick bag or bags, but Kit Brick is a modular system of bags. So you can have one, or if you like doing a triathlon, you could have one for each discipline. And they just look really super. They have loads of pockets on the outside. They have a thick, solid waterproof base, which is perfect for like winter races. And they just look super good and just great to organise all your kit. Of course, I would start with just one and see how I get on. If not, then I could also have 2, and if when you put 2 together, it turns into a rucksack. So I could have 2, so one could be full of my dirty, muddy trainers, and the other bag with my dirty kit or clean clothes. But I will start with one Kit Brick bag and then see how I get along. The second is a Ashme gilet, or gillet as I say, gilet. Basically, I love all things Ashme. I have a vest top, a short sleeve t-shirt, and I also just recently bought, you might have seen my unboxing video of a long sleeve top from them as well. I just love their clothing. They're very UK brand, very environmentally conscious brand, and I love merino wool, and just the fact that their stuff just lasts so long. And with merino wool, you can literally, it biodegrades, which is just perfect when we need to protect the environment. And I would love one of their gilets. I do have a kind of a thin, very thin gilet that I use, but it's mostly just kind of has a light attached, and just I wear that sometimes in the winter instead of a high vis kind of tabard. But I feel I would just wear one of their gilets so much on like cold winter runs. I don't really wear running jackets because I get too hot, whereas I think one of their gilets, which is really quite thick, waterproof front and kind of a soft back, loads of pockets, I think which would be a great layer to have on those winter runs where you just need kind of warmth on your chest rather you kind of your arms being covered by a jacket. I just think I'd get so much wear out of it on those frosty runs and plus with the unzips, because sometimes you have a long sleeve top and then a t-shirt as well, you can't really unzip the t-shirt if it's getting a bit too warm. So definitely an Ashme gilet. Hopefully they'll come back into stock this year, in time for winter. Number 3 is a pair of Montane Prism gloves, as recommended by Ben Parks. As runners, I don't know about you, but it's always good to have a wide range of running gloves for various degrees of temperature or whatever training session you're doing. So it's good to have kind of good range of thickness of glove. So for instance, if it's really quite cold but you're doing a hard interval session, then a pair of thin gloves would be suitable. Whereas if you're doing kind of an easy run but it's still really cold temperature, if we need a pair of thicker gloves because you're not going to produce as much heat as a high intensity interval session or hills or speed session. And I don't own a really pair of thick gloves, so I think these Montane ones would be really good because they have a waterproof outer and then kind of a fleecy inner lining. And if Ben Park loves them, then I'm sure I love them too. And my collection of gloves is lacking kind of a really thick pair, and I suffer from really cold hands. They go numb, so they'll be perfect for once I stop running or coming home from a race when my hands start to go numb. So number 4 is an Innovate Ultra Shell waterproof jacket. Having just said I don't really wear running jackets because it gets too hot, I just think I need to have one just in case. Just in case I have to race when it's torrential rain and I know that the length of time I'm going to be out for like a half marathon or something, I am going to get too cold because the weather is terrible. This one was recommended by a running buddy of mine, Simon, who absolutely loved it, and he just said it was just so light, he just didn't think you were wearing anything, and it weighs 83 grams, and then it's also really sheer, so you can see your race number underneath. So I think it would be perfect to have it just in case. But it's a very expensive item to have just in case. That's why I haven't bought it yet. It's on my wish list, but you never know. You know, offers come on, so we'll always keep an eye out. So those are my 4. I'd love to hear in the comments below whether you have any of these items, or I would love to hear what your item is on your wish list, as I might wish to add it to mine. So yeah, please comment below. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. As usual, subscribe to my channel, share to anyone you feel would enjoy it, and as usual, hashtag killing it.